We have here an electric specialties company tone generator and interrupter used for telephone central offices. Primarily independent operating companies use this model, and you'll hear the dial tone sounds different from what you hear today. Back in the days when each central office sort of had its own little personal signature, at least different types had different unique sounds instead of like today where all telephones sound alike. So let's hear some of the tones. First we're going to hear the dial tone. Next is the no such number tone. Back in the days before they figured out how to put recordings on, they just had special tones. So here's that coming up. Okay, next are some other call progress tones. At this point the interrupter comes into play. They just used the basic tones off the generator and interrupted them at different intervals to represent different things. So first we'll have a station busy signal. Next is the all circuits busy signal, known as the fast busy. And finally we have the ringback tone, which was the tone that was sent back to the caller to let him know that the phone was ringing. The actual voltage sent to the tone was 20 cycles at around 90 volts, which you actually wouldn't be able to hear. So this tone was generated for the caller to hear, usually but not always synchronized with the ringing of the bell at the other end.